Okay, we're doing on this side, we're doing brownstone. We're keeping it like it is here. It's already got 4 posts, which is amazing. We're gonna do we're gonna place we're gonna replace all the clamps. It's gonna be 6 foot side by side Japanese cedar. The pickets will be pre-stained, and then we're doing 2x4 rails with 1 kickboard on the bottom, and there'll be a gate right here. On this side, no gate. It's going to be brownstone, same thing, side by side, Japanese cedar number 2. Pickets will be pre-stained. We're going to do 2x4 rails and 1 kickboard here. Also here, we're going to do same thing to the corner, brownstone all the way, and we're going to keep it this way, face out, smooth side out, and then smooth side in here on this side. There is some little bit of trees we got to cut, not too much. I'll give you a clue there. We're leaving that chain link alone and keeping the posts. So we're keeping the posts on this side here and that other side that I showed you. All the brownstones keeping posts. So this is all keeping posts here. Then over here we're going to do a gate over here. This side's going to be board on board with a trim and smooth side out, and it's going to be two pressure treated rails with 1 kickboard, and it's not going to be a cap on it. That's where we're going, and then we're going to do a double swing gate like it is here. Double swing gate right here where it is, and we'll do the drop canes on the inside and the latch on the inside, and we need to just cut this tree down here, and also there's a hole for the gas meter right here, so we make sure we do that. We got to be careful with this gas line. Okay, and then double swing gate. Remember, it's going to be board on board, no trim, 2 pressure treated 2x4s and 1 pressure treated kickboard. Let me see there. Also, in the deal, we want to just patch this up as much as we can. He's got some extra 2x4s there that we can use, so his dog won't get out. Just make it stronger than it is now, so his dog don't get out. Just tack any boards that are loose. Make it strong. So put some 2x4s on the bottom, maybe over here, patch it up, just as a favor.